For centuries, the Hindus of Kashmir have continued their devotion here, worshipping at the riverbank in front of the Dargah, marking the goddess's presence with vermilion paste. Within the premises lies a sealed holy spring, enclosed by walls, where the goddess is believed to reside. Tradition holds that caretakers of old bound this spring with an occult spell, warning that anyone who tried to open it would lose their sight. Thus, the sanctity of the shrine has remained preserved through fear and reverence. On the 25th of June, during my visit, I witnessed a disturbing sight: 8 black cats roaming the shrine grounds. Once many in number, these remaining guardians seem to signal that the dark occult influence here is waning. Their presence reminds us of the unseen forces that have long claimed this place. Yet, it is time for sense and harmony to prevail. Let all groups come together.
जयन्ती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते.
For true peace arises when faiths converge on a common ground of reverence, whether to their deities or to one God. The spring's water flows outward through hidden pipes to the riverbank, where devotees gather each year on the goddess's appearance day. Offerings of yellow rice and goat liver are prepared in her honor, continuing an ancient tradition. The question now is, how can both sides amicably share the shrine? The time is ripe for dialogue. What has been sealed must be opened, so that devotees of Mahakali may worship freely. Such a step could become a milestone toward peace in Kashmir, for until the shrine of the goddess is unsealed, no lasting resolution can be found.